before the hurricane begins, the hour that the ship comes in, and the sea will split and the ship will hit, and the shoreline sands will be shaking, and the tide will sound and the wind will pound, and the morning will be breaking. Oh, the fishes will laugh as they swim out of the path, and the seagulls, they'll be smiling, and the rocks on the sand will proudly stand the hour that the ship comes in, and the words that are used for to get the ship confused will not be understood as they're spoken, for the chains of the sea will have busted in the night, and will be buried at the bottom of the ocean. Oh, the foes will rise with the sleep still in their eyes, and they'll jerk from their beds and think they're dreaming, but they'll pinch themselves and squeal, and they'll know that it's for real the hour that the ship comes